Do you want to know exactly how sweet or sour something is? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you a device that will do just that. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the digital pH meter tester pen. This is not just for water, but it can be used for a variety of things. And 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this is easier, at least it is for me, than using pH test strips. There's no more color matching or guessing, and if you're colorblind or have problems seeing certain colors, this is a device that's going to help you, because pH test strips, the ones I've seen, have an expiration date. So you don't want to be in a situation where you're testing it and then the test strips have expired. Thing number 2, this is pre-calibrated for use when you get it. Now, when you want to calibrate, there are powder kits available that won't break the bank. The company who made this was nice enough to even include a set to get you up and running. Now, each one of them does mention that it's going to need a 250 milliliter glass beaker. So, and I would suggest, and this goes back to, for those of us who went through chemistry class in either high school or college, I would get 3, and here's why. That way, if you have a problem during the middle of calibration, and stuff can happen. This way, with having each beaker being a different value, you're going to have a better chance. If you have to start over, you haven't just had to go buy another test powder kit. So that's something to think about. I don't know how often you may need to calibrate it, and I thought mine was going to have to be calibrated again, but then I stopped to realize when I did my testing, I'm behind 2 water filter systems. I've got a whole house system, and then I've got one that's in my fridge. In this case, I was using bottled water, so I have no idea what kind of filtration they were behind. Thing number 3, this comes powered by a pair of LR44 batteries. They're easy to find. You may have to go on Amazon and get them, and they are budget friendly. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, I mentioned the LR44 batteries. Get a pair to have on hand just in case. The batteries are inserted with the plus sign facing the left side of the battery tray, and that's the open side. You'll see what looks like a large dash. That's going to tell you that you're looking at the right side. That way you'll get them in there the way they are. The other side, you can't get them in that side. There's only one side you can insert batteries from, and just make sure the plus is pointing to the left of the battery tray, like I said. With the pH label facing you, insert the battery tray with the open side facing away from you. Now, if you put it in backwards, don't worry about it. Just pull it out quickly, flip it around, and the meter should automatically turn on when it sees the battery. If you're used to working with chemicals and know how to flush out a beaker, you can get away with just one 250 milliliter beaker. I would go for 3. That way, you can set up your test solutions, go through the calibration process, and before you toss it all out, do some things, test some things that you know what you think it should be and have a reference value. And that way, it's one less thing that you've got to worry about. Now take a look at this one and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.